Welcome back, students. We are in chapter 6, that is Introduction to Word Processor. So in the previous class we have discussed, that is your part 1, that is Introduction to Word Processor. So in the previous classes and all, that is in your part 1 of this lesson, what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed how to open OpenOffice Writer, how to enter the text, how to edit the text in that one, and what are the editing options. You people will be now thorough and clear with how to open a document, save a document, close a document. So that and all we have discussed in the part 1 of this lesson. So in this class we are going to have the part 2, that is your formatting text and paragraph. So you people know how to open a document. Yes, just you people recall what we have discussed in the previous part. Yes, how you people will be opening. Yes, you know the procedure how to open OpenOffice Writer. After that, what you people will be doing to open a document, you people will be clicking Ctrl+N. Otherwise, from the menu bar, you people will be selecting File, New. So a document window is open for you people. In this, that is your white space, workspace and white color area, you people have started beginning to type your document. So just you people going on typing, just by leaving space and by using the enter key, you people are going on typing. After, just you people imagine you have typed 5 paragraphs, that otherwise you people can imagine that you have typed 5 pages. So no need to have more pages, just you people have typed 3 pages. After saving that, you people are seeing everything is of equal. There is no difference between which is the first paragraph, which is the second paragraph, or which letter or which text is more important. Nothing is highlighted there, nothing is bolded there, nothing is making you people to attract that document. Then what you people will be doing? Yes, you people will be moving to the next step, that is formatting the document. அதாவது நீ டைப் பண்ண டாக்குமெண்ட் ஃபுல்லாக ஒன்று போல் நீ என்ன பண்ணியிருக்க, ஒரே ஃபாண்ட்டில் உட்காந்து நல்லா டைப் பண்ணி முடிச்சாச்சு 3 pages. ஸோ அந்த பேஜஸை நீ எடுத்து பார்க்கும்போது உனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், எல்லாமே ஒன்று போல் இருக்குமே ஒழியா அதில் எது முக்கியமான வார்த்தை, எது முக்கியமான லைனு அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் உள்ளது எதுவுமே உனக்கு என்ன பண்ணாது, தெரியாது. ஸோ டு அவாய்ட் தட் சிச்சுவேஷன், you people are going to format the text or format the paragraph. So in this lesson we are going to see formatting your text and paragraph. So now we can see what is a formatting. So now you people will be familiar what is the formatting. Yes, formatting is nothing but changing the default appearance of the text. Formatting is nothing but changing the default appearance of the text. Okay va. So what is formatting? Formatting means nothing but changing the default appearance. So default appearances is changed for you. So that is called as your formatting. Default appearance is changed, so that is called as your formatting. Just you people tell what are the simple formatting that are available and you people are familiar. So simple formatting that are like, you people can have bold. Yes, these are the familiar that you people are familiar. Bold, italic, and the next one it is your underline. So these are the things that you people are familiar. So okay va? So don't think this much are there are many, but these 3 and you people are familiar. So these are the simple things that you people can apply to your text. Similarly, you people can change the color. You can change color, the text size, you can change the font of the text. Similarly, what else you people can do? Yes, you people can change the style, and many things are there that you people can do. So that is called as your formatting. Here you people have seen a new term, that is your font. So what is a font? Yes, font is nothing but it is a set of characters. Font is nothing but it is a set of characters in a particular style. So that is called as your font. Okay va. So few example you people can have. The default font in your word processor is Times New Roman. Similarly, you people are having Arial brown, Arial black, then many font, mono style, like that, cursive letters, like that many fonts are available. From that, which is more attractive for you people, that you people can select and you people can apply it to your document. Okay, wow. So by side itself we can see what is the shortcut key for your bold. So how to apply bold? First you people have to select everything. So in the previous class itself we have discussed, you people have to select anything before doing editing option. Okay, wow. So first we are going to see the bold. Bold means what is going to do? You see here. So just now I have written no. So here I have written everything in a capital letter. So this one is a characters that I have written is small letter. So there is a difference between these two. So I have written bold. Okay, wow. So bold means see here. So there is a difference between this one and this one. So just to make the difference between each characters or each letters, we are having or we are in need to do formatting. Okay, wow. So here bold is what it is going to do? Yes, it is going to makes the text bold. Okay, ma'am. For that, what is the shortcut key? Yes, Control plus B. The shortcut key is Control plus B. So next we can see italics. So while I am writing itself, I am doing it in an italic way. Okay, ma'am. So it is your italics. So for that, what is the shortcut key you are having? Yes, it is your Control plus I. The shortcut key is Control plus I. So next you people are having underline. So next you people are going to underline. Yes, this is your underline. So for that the shortcut key is Control plus U. Okay, wow. So these are the text formatting shortcuts. So these three are the most familiar or most frequently used text formatting shortcuts. So clear with this one? So default, already I told you, default font is, already I told you it is your Times New Roman. Default font is Times New Roman. Similarly, the default font size is 12. From this, what else you people are willing to change? You people can change that one. You people can change that one. So for changing and all, the procedure will be discussed continuously for you. So clear with the introduction. So what is formatting? Yes, formatting is nothing but changing the default appearance of the text. So what are the changes? Yes, it can be like changing the color, text size, font, text style, etc. Okay, wow. So the most familiar and the frequently used formatting are bold, italics and underline. The most familiar and the frequently used formatting are bold, italics, underline. So what are the shortcuts key for bold? Yes, it is your Control plus B. Next italics, Control plus I, and for underline it is your Control plus U. So similarly we have seen font. What is a font? Yes, font is nothing but it is a set of characters in a particular style. Don't forget, font is nothing but set of characters in a particular style. So the default font is Times New Roman and the size is 12 for you, and the size is 12 points for you. So clear with this one. Similarly, next one is font color. So next we are going to see about font color. Okay, wow. So what this is going to do? Yes, by the name itself you people will be able to guess it what it is. Yes, it is just going to change the color of your text. It is going to change your color of your text. Okay, wow. So for that, what you people have to do? Yes, you have to first select the text. You people have to select the text. Next you people have to go on, click with the font color icon. You have to click font color icon that is displayed on the toolbar for you. So there you people are having two types of toolbar, no? What are they? Yes, standard toolbar. And the next one, it is your formatting toolbar. So in the formatting toolbar, you people will be having your font color icon. So click that one. So don't forget, before doing any editing option, you people have to select it. You people have to select the needed text. After selecting, you people click the font color icon. So in that, some set of colors will be like this from here. Yes, some set of colors will be displayed here for you. Some set of colors will be displayed for you. So in that, you people just select the needed color that you people need. Some set of colors will be displayed. From that, you people can select the needed colors of yours. So similarly here also it will be having the default. So what is the default color? Yes, default color is nothing but it is your black color. So what else you people are typing? Everything is in black color only, no? So the default color of your text is black. So what is the default font? Default font, yes it is. Yes, don't forget, it is your Times New Roman. And what is the default font size? Yes, it is your 12 points. It is 12 points. So clear with this one. So don't forget, this is your color palette. It is your color palette. From this only you people have to select your needed color. You people have to select the needed color. So that color will be applied to the selected text. Or if you people are selecting a whole paragraph, the color will be applied to the selected part. Whether it is a whole paragraph or single word or single character, that's not a problem. Everything will be applied. So next we can see how to open this one, how this formatting option can be done. So for that you people have to click format character. For that you people have to click format. Format will be seen in your menu bar. Okay va? So click this one. Under that you people have to select the character. So immediately what will be displayed for you? Yes, character dialog box will be displayed for you. Character dialog box will be displayed. So everything will be displayed there. In that dialog box, font effects, then the position, hyperlink, background. So these are the tabs that are available in this dialog box. From that you people can select what else you people are in need. You people can select what else you people are in need. Okay va? So don't forget, ஃபார்மட்டுங்கிற மெனுவில் இருந்து கேரக்டரை கிளிக் பண்ணு. கேரக்டர் டயலாக் பாக்ஸ் உனக்கு இமீடியட்டாக டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். ஸோ இந்த உனக்கு நிறையா டேப் இருக்கும், அதாவது நிறையா செக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதில் உனக்கு என்னது செலக்ட் பண்ணி நீ விரும்புறியோ தட் யூ பீப்புள் ஹவ் டு செலக்ட் தட் ஒன். நீ செலக்ட் பண்ணி அங்கே கிளிக் ஜஸ்ட் அப்ளை கொடுத்து ஓகே கொடுத்துட்டேன்னா என்ன ஆயிரும், ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி இட் வில் பி அப்ளை டு யுவர் டெக்ஸ்ட். நீ எடுத்த டெக்ஸ்ட்டில் என்ன ஆயிரும், செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்க டெக்ஸ்ட்டில் எவ்ரி திங் வில் பி ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி அப்ளைடு. சிமிலர்லி நீ டைப் பண்ணது நீ ஃபாண்ட்டை மாற்றினதுக்கப்புறம் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும், எவ்ரி திங் ப்ரிவ்யூ என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், கீழே இமீடியட்டாக இந்த கேரக்டர் டயலாக் பாக்ஸில் நீ பார்த்துடலாம். ஸோ கிளியர் வித் திஸ் ஒன். ஸோ கிளியர் வித் ஹவு டு சேஞ்ச் த ஃபாண்ட் ஸ்டைல், சைஸ் அண்ட் த கலர். ஸோ கிளியர். ஸோ எவ்ரி திங் கேன் பி டன் பை ஜஸ்ட் பை கிளிக்கிங் த format menu. Under that you people are going to have the character sub menu. Yeah, immediately character dialog box will be displayed. Under that you people can select what else you people are in need. So clear with this one. Yes, next we can proceed with the next one, that is your changing case. So what do you mean by changing case? Yes, you people know uppercase, lowercase. So that is your changing case. So by the name itself, you people can tell it. Now you people can see the steps to change a uppercase letter to a lowercase letter. Similarly, a lowercase letter to a uppercase letter. So we are having, you people are having different cases. What are the cases? We can see the first one, it is your uppercase. Uppercase means, example, everything will be in capital letter for you. Okay va? And the next one, it is your toggle case. What do you mean by toggle case? If you people are going to type it in capital letter, it will be displayed in small letter for you. If you are going to type in capital letter, it will be displayed in small letter. Otherwise, if you are going to type it in small letter, it will be displayed in capital letter for you. Okay, but don't forget, நீ capital letter கொடுத்தா small letter மாறிரும். Small letter கொடுத்தா it will be changed into upper case. That is lower case இருந்தா it will be changed into upper case. So that you mean by toggle case. Okay, va? And the next one, it is your sentence case. Sentence means a full line or a full paragraph. Okay, va? So in this, what is going to happen? Yes, first letter of the sentence will be capital for you. So just for imagine, you people, you are going to have a small thing, that is your word. So here W is capitalized for you. So just if it is the beginning of a sentence or a paragraph, the first letter must be a capital letter for you. So here W is capital and the remaining everything is small letter for you. So this is one of your case. And the next one you people are going to have, it is your capitalize every word. So the next one, it is your capitalize every word. So what else? Whole paragraph you people are going to have means everything will be in capital. That is, here I have written no. So first letter of this one is capital letter. Similarly, in the case of every, E is in capital letter. So similarly, in the case of word, W is in capital letter. So that is behind capitalize every word. Okay, va? And the next one, it is nothing but it is your lower case. Lower case, you people know the example is like this: A, B, C, D, F. Everything is in small letter for you. And the next one is, yes, remaining. These are the things that you people are having under changing case. And the next you people are going to see how to. So by means of which steps you people can change the case. By means of which steps you people can change the case. So for this one, what you people have to do is, you have to click from format menu bar. In that you people have to select change case. From that you people have to select change case. Clear with this one? So totally 5 types that you people are having under changing case. The first one, it is your uppercase. That is, everything will be in capital letter. The next one, it is your toggle case. It is nothing but changing from capital to, that is your uppercase to lowercase, otherwise from lowercase to uppercase. And the next one, it is your sentence capital. In the sentence, the first thing, that is your first letter, will be a capital letter. And the next one, it is your capitalized every word. That is, in the whole para, for each and every word, the first letter will be a capital letter for you. Okay, ma'am? And the next one, it is your lowercase. Lowercase means what else you people are going to type? Everything in small letters. Everything will be in small letters. So by using which menu you people can change the case? Yes, just by clicking the format change case, you people can change the case. You people can change the case. How you people can do it? Yes, don't forget, before doing everything, you people have to select. You people have to select that one. So select it. Then you people click format change case. So automatically a dialog box will be displayed for you. From that you people can select what else you people are willing to do. Everything will be available inside the change case dialog box. Okay, wow. So clear with this one? Yes, next we are going to see the next one. It is your highlighting text. Highlighting text. What do you mean by highlighting? Yes, showing which is important for you. Showing which is important for you. So some will be having the habit of, while they are habit of highlighting, while they are studying or while they are reading some books, they will be having a habit. Just they will be having a marker or some pencil, everything in their hand, and just they will be marking the important thing, or others they will be underlining the importance thing. Why they are underlining that and all? Similar another cases, while you are writing your exams, some will be having the habit of underlining the important terms. Why they are doing like that? Yes, just they are highlighting this point is important. Just they are highlighting in this question or in this page or in this paragraph, this line is important. So to show something attractive or to show. Just by seeing that itself we can understand the remind. அதாவது அந்த பாயிண்ட்டை பார்த்த உடனே நீ புரிஞ்சுக்கிடலாம் அதை பற்றி தான் என்ன இருக்குது, ரிமைனிங் பேஜஸ் இருக்குது, ரிமைனிங் லைன்ஸ் இருக்குங்கிறத புரிஞ்சுக்கிடலாம். ஸோ ஃபார் தேட் ஒன்லி யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் ஹேவிங் highlighting. So for this what you people have to do, what this you people have to do, you have to click highlighting icon. You have to click highlighting icon. So where it will be seen for you, as usual it will be seen on the toolbar. It will be seen on the formatting toolbar. Just you people select that one just by clicking this icon. Similarly a color palette will be displayed. From that you people can select what else color you people are in need. For example, you people are not in need to highlight anything. What you people can do, yes, நீ ஹைலைட்டிங் ஐக்கானை செலக்ட் பண்ணி கலர் எல்லாம் மாற்றிட்டேன், ஆனால் லேட்டர் நினைக்க நோ நீட், இதெல்லாம் அப்படி முக்கியமாக எடுத்து காட்ட வேண்டாம் நினைக்க. நவ் யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் willing to change them highlighted. So what you people are going to do? Yes, nothing. The same procedure. Just click the highlighting icon. The color palette will be displayed for you. In that you people have to select no fill. In that you people have to select no fill. Then automatically the color will be changed into your default appearance. The color will be changed into the default appearance. So clear with the changing case and highlighting text. Yes, don't forget what is highlighting text. Yes, highlighting text is to draw attention. Why you people are in need of this one? Yes, just to draw attention to the important or key points. To the important or key points in a document. Important points in a document. So clear with the changing case, and you people are now clear how to change a case and how to highlight a text. Clear with this one? Yes, next we can see how to clear the format. Yes, what do you mean by clearing the formatting? Yes, by the name itself. So already you have applied formatting to your document. Now you people are going to or willing to clear the formatting. What else you people have done? So for that what you people have to do? Just you people have to select that document. Also if you people are willing to select the entire document, that is whole document, means you people have to go on with a shortcut key, that is your Control A. Control A is nothing but it is going to select entire document. Otherwise, if you people are willing to select a few word or few line or a few paragraph, what do people can do? Yes, already we have discussed in the previous part. Just by clicking the shift key plus drag your mouse, or by using this arrow keys, side arrow, up arrow or down arrow or what else arrow you people are in need, just you people select this one. So this is used to select word or a text or a single line. You people can click shift plus these arrow keys. Otherwise what you people can do? Shift plus drag the mouse. You can drag the mouse. So these are the way that you people can select a word, a text or a single line. Okay va? So otherwise if you people are willing to select the whole document, that is your entire document, what do you people have to do? You have to click Control plus A. You have to click Control plus A. Otherwise in the menu also you people are having an option to select, that is nothing but Edit, Select All. That is nothing but Edit, Select All. So this is the way these are the ways how you people can select a document or a word or a text or a line. So you people already know, to have a continuous selection you will be using the shift. So for a non-continuous selection, just you people will be using Control instead of shift. Okay va? So instead of shift you people will be having Control. So clear with this one? So after this what you people are going to do? Yes, you people are going to clear. You people are going to clear each and everything. For that what you people are going to do? You are going to press Control plus M. Okay va? Now you are going to press Control plus M. So after this what are the area or which area that you people have selected, everything will be cleared for you. Everything will, that means whole document will not be cleared. What else, the formatting that you people have applied, that will be cleared for you. So don't forget. So to clearing the formatting, what you people are in need to do, first you people have to select. So there are few ways to select. After selecting, what do you people have to do? Yes, you people have to press Control plus M. You have to go on with the clicking Control plus M. So then what else formatting, whether you have bolded it or italic it or underline it, what else colored you have changed, what are the font size or font you people have applied, everything will be changed or everything will be cleared to the default. Everything will be changed or moved to the default. So clear with the way how to clear the formatting, clear with this one. Yes. So by now, what else we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed the introduction relating to what is formatting. Okay, wow. Then we have discussed what is font and what are the text to formatting shortcuts. So what else we have discussed by today? Yes, definition for formatting. Next, the definition for font. Next, what are the text to formatting shortcuts? What are they? Yes, for bold, you people will be having Control plus B, and for italic, you people will be having Control plus I, and for underline, you people will be having Control plus U. Okay, wow. So these and all we have discussed. Similarly, what is the default font? Default font is, yes, it is Times New Roman. And what is the default size? Yes, it is your 12 points. And similarly, we have discussed your font color also. So what is your default color? Yes, it is black. How you people can change the default color? Yes, you people can change the default color by clicking the font color icon. By clicking the font color icon. Okay, wow. Then immediately the color palette will be displayed for you. From that, you are going to select that one. So next, what else we have discussed? Yes, changing the case. Changing the case here, what else we have finished? Yes, it is your uppercase. Next, lowercase. Next, toggle case. Next, finished sentence case. What do you mean by sentence case? In a sentence, the first letter will be a capital letter for you. That one. The next one, it is your capitalize every word. Capitalize every word. So these are the types that are seen under changing case. So how you people you will be in this one, that is by clicking format change case. Format change case. A dialog box will be displayed. From that, you people are going to select that one. So next, what you finished? Yes, the next one, it is your highlighting text. Next one is your highlighting text. So how you people will be here? Yes, just by clicking the highlighting icon. But just by clicking the highlighting icon, you will be in highlighting text. So the next and the last one we finished is clear the formatting. For that, what you people have to do? You have to select the text for which you people are going to clear the formatting, and then you people are going to press Control plus M. Then you people are going to press Control plus M. So you people know how to select. How you people will be selecting? Yes, just by pressing Control A, that is for the selecting the entire document. Otherwise, by pressing the Shift arrow keys or by clicking Shift mouse, just you're dragging your mouse. Otherwise, for a non-continuous, you are going to click Control plus arrow keys, any combination based upon your need, you people have to. And the next one, it is your Control plus, you have to drag your mouse in which and what else place that you people are in need to select, you people can select that one. And the next is how to clear, that is just by clicking control plus M. So by applying this, what else formatting that you people have applied, everything will be cleared for you. So clear with the topics, what else we have discussed. So these are the basic in formatting a text. So clear with this one? Yes, reminding we can continue in the next class. Yes, thank you students.